Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving west on I-94 in Trempealeau County, Wisconsin. It's completely dark now, but we're about to exit the interstate for the night, and then we'll have blue skies and sunshine all the way to Minneapolis. We begin at mile marker 88 on the edge of the city of Osseo. We enter Eau Claire County, which had a population of 105,710 as of the 2020 census. The county took its name from the Eau Claire River, which flows through it. Eau Claire County is included in the Eau Claire, Wisconsin Metropolitan Statistical Area, as long as the Eau Claire, Menominee, Wisconsin Combined Statistical Area. Attractions include the Chippewa Valley Museum in Eau Claire, Dells Mill Museum in Augusta, Dells Mill Water-Powered Museum in Augusta, the Paul Bunyan Logging Camp in Eau Claire, and the Sarge Boyd Bandshell in Eau Claire. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. and give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We entered the city of Eau Claire, the county seat of Eau Claire County. We exited the interstate here to stop for the night. The next morning we got back on the interstate several miles ahead, so we'll have more on the city of Eau Claire in our next video, which will go into our City Drives playlist. We conclude today's video at mile marker 58. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.